Hey guys, so a while ago I made this thing, which is basically a longboard that I converted to work on snow. It has these huge skis that I 3D printed. I also covered them in duct tape to make it a little more slippery because they're kind of sticking to the snow. It didn't work very well. And it worked pretty well. Yeah, like a pro! I ended up breaking it here and here, but it performed okay. Another issue with it was that the tips of the skis weren't very high, so it'd actually get stuck in the snow and get pulled underneath and bottom out, which didn't work. So I'm going to try fixing all these problems by using actual skis. I got these two guys from Savers for $15. I'm going to try cutting them in half and using half of it for the front and half of it for the back. The issue is that these skis only have one pointed tip, so I'm going to try heating up the other end and bending it to give it two tips for both skis so it doesn't bottom out easily. So let's try bending this thing and see if it works. Check it out, it actually worked. It looks pretty good. I got a little bit of melting on the top right here, but I think I just heated up the top a little bit too much. The bottom looks almost perfect. Look at that, not bad at all. And there's a pretty good size radius on there, and that should work just fine. Let's try the other one now. Just finished the second one, came out about the same as the first, and now I think it's time to try to cut these guys in half. It's gonna be interesting. It's on fire. Yeah, look at that. Not too shabby. I finished cutting them all in half. Lots of sparks. It was kind of fun. And I printed some nice mounts for them on my printer. I'm going to attach them to the skis now. Not too bad, looks pretty good. Only messed up a few times. Okay, first test outside. Let's see if it works at all. Woo! Surprisingly, it actually did work pretty well. The only issue was when you tried turning, the thing would slide out from underneath your feet and cause you to fall. So I printed a bunch of these pieces, and I'm going to attach to each side of the ski to hopefully stab into the snow and allow it to track properly when you're turning. So let's put them on and see how it works. The side pieces are still holding up great even though they're 3D printed, which is awesome. I guess you do have to have a decent amount of snow that also hit the ground, but it's working great. pretty well. But that time I did feel it started to lose control. Oh yeah, look at that. That's not good. I felt some slipping action, so I guess when you get on the ground that's too, once you get in the snow that's too deep, it kind of loses control. I think it puts more weight on these guys and they can't get through the dirt. So like next step is probably to replace this metal and see how it does. Hope you guys enjoyed. This thing was a fun project. Hopefully I have some more videos soon.